Hello everyone. I know a lot of people out there have tons of questions about remote ID and especially remote ID modules. And for the people who don't really have a choice and need to comply with remote ID regulations, they're often wondering what module would work best for them. So I would like to help answer a lot of those questions. And if you could leave those questions down in the comments, I'll either try my best to reply to those comments, or maybe in the near future, I'll release another video where I try to answer some of those comments. And what I'd really like is if you have questions about specific remote ID modules that I can answer that maybe are not something that's just shown in the spec sheet. I happen to have right here with me a whole bunch of the most common, most popular remote ID modules. And so if you have questions on those, I could probably get a quick answer for you. So for example, here I have a Dronetag BS version 1. I have the Phoenix mRID module. This actually has with the GPS is here, and that's the mRID module there. I have a Dronetag BS version 2. I haven't dug into that enough yet to know what the difference is between the version 1 and version 2, but especially on the underside, there are some differences in the components. So there's definitely going to be some differences on those. And the Flite Test EZ ID, the Holy Stone all-in-one module, as well as this Zing RID Lite, which is similar to the Holy Stone, where it's all-in-one little module with a power button and some blinky lights. So again, if you have any questions specifically on any of these remote ID modules and how they compare to each other and what their features are, especially stuff that's maybe not something you can easily look up for yourself, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer all of you.